Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, a lot of you may have seen a video that I posted a few days ago where the governor-elect of Imo State, Emeka Ehidioha, warned the Imo State parastatals not to do any heavy money transfers in the interim period between his election and his assuming office, because he's warned that any heavy money transfers that takes place within this period will be investigated, and whoever is in charge of the parastatal that's responsible for the movement of that money will be brought to book. So what we have now is Iberiberism, otherwise known as Rochas Okorocha, clapping back. So this is what Rochas has to say. Okorocha, Ehidioha can probe me after May 29, not now. Governor Rochas Okorocha of Imo State has told his would-be successor, Emeka Ehidioha, to wait till he has taken over on May 29 before embarking on any investigation into the activities of his administration. Okorocha, who was reacting to an allegation credited to Ehidioha that he, Okorocha, withdrew 17 billion within 2 weeks, wondered how Imo State could have that amount of money now. He said, Emeka Ehidioha, who was announced the winner of the governorship election in the state on the platform of the PDP, has been making careless media statements and unfounded allegations, including the 17 billion he said the government had withdrawn and the threat to recover what he called Imo property from the governor. He had earlier given directives to financial institutions in the state against further transactions with the state government. Okorocha said Ehidioha never mentioned how the withdrawal was made, whether it was withdrawn in cash or through transfer, and where in Imo State, with the meager federal allocation and internally generated revenue, can one see 17 billion to withdraw, he queried. Okorocha said Ehidioha should concentrate on how to surpass his administration rather than dissipating energy on frivolous allegations. So that is MC Iberibe clapping back. That is Rocha Okorocha clapping back at Emeka Ehidioha. So this is clearly a battle line that is going to run and run for the next few years. So we can imagine that Emeka Ehidioha is going to probe Rochas Okorocha. Absolutely no question about that. And it will be irresponsible of him not to do that. So now Iberibeism is now preparing himself and laying the ground for his defense. Clearly monies are being withdrawn hurriedly in the last minutes of his administration. This is usually the template for Nigerian administrations. When they're about to leave office, they'll empty the coffers and the next person will then try and replenish and then do the same thing when he is about to leave as well. And of course they probe the previous administrations. This is the template of governance in Nigeria. So Iberibeism versus Emeka Ehidioha. This is a battle that is set to rage on and on. The fight of the titans. Let's see where this falls. So we shall certainly follow this on this channel. And if you want to know what happens next, then click on that red subscribe button so it goes gray. Haven't done that, click on the bell notification thing as well, so you are notified every time I drop a video. So once you've done both of those, come join me in the comment section where we talk Iberibeism, Rochas Okorocha, and Emeka Ehidioha. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.